Hi, I'm Scott with Starkey Family, Fixing and Rigging Up, and this is my wife's 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. And if you were one of the lucky winners that actually was able to get one of these also, I feel sorry for you. Originally, when I went to the dealership and bought this has been a few years back, quite a few years back, the dealership said, oh, you should get about 22, 23 miles per gallon. Wrong. On a good day, you get 15. Also, if you own one of these, then you've probably already realized you're going to have multiple problems. But today we're going to address one of the repeated problems. You can't keep headlights in these stupid things. Okay, unlike normal conventional vehicles where you would take the headlight bulb out from underneath the hood, very simple. Oh no, Chevrolet decided why not have to drop the inner fender? So this right here is one of the screws that you're going to have taken out. So when you come in with a screwdriver trying to do this and you realize, oh no, you're going to have a bit and put the bit in a ratchet. This is what I'm using. And ratchet it out because they rust in there. Oh yeah, Chevrolet was nice. So you got one there and one up here. And now you've got to take your hand, and this is going to cut your arm. So you've got to pull it back, cram your arm up in there. Hold on a second here. Let me get a flashlight shoved up in there. My flashlight wedged up in there, and that's where my arm is going to be. Now, can you see that up in there? That thing that my flashlight is focused on? Well, that right there is a cover. So you have to turn that thing off, and then the light bulb is actually up inside of that. Well, I know all this doesn't seem like it's really that bad. It is. But it's actually summertime and it's warm now. The last time I had to replace this, it was winter time. All this plastic was frozen. And of course the screws, I had a lot of troubles trying to get them out. So just keep that in mind. So let me go to the next step. I'm going to go ahead and take that cover off. But I'm going to put my camera down because you won't be able to see anyways, because my arm's got to be wedged in there because you can't see what you're doing. You just have to feel around in there. Okay, this is what the cover looks like. It's got 3 little prongs on it. It's pretty simple. It just twists off. There is a rubber ring right here that makes a seal. So basically, your light is actually sealed inside of here. You should have no moisture problems, no nothing. Yet, I'm repeatedly having to replace lights. And it's not just the driver's side. It's the passenger side. It's the lights on the back. These are all different bulbs too. I've tried different brands. It doesn't matter. I think it just goes along with these Traverses. Another piece of crap that Chevrolet put out for us to buy. It's going to be hard to see. But with the cover off, can you see that up there? There is the light bulb exposed. So basically what it is, this is the new replacement. This is what you're going to end up using. So you actually have to twist that out and unplug it. So let me go ahead and deal with that. Okay, here's the next problem. See this? I've got it out of this case, barely. This is how much wire they put on there for you. So you have to do this one-handed. So if you have large hands, large arms, give it up. Find someone that's skinny. Here's the old light bulb out. Now, what that white stuff here is, that's actually electrical grease, light bulb grease that you put inside there to keep from rusting. As you can see, that thing is just absolutely cooked. So I'm guessing that the main problem is with this is this encasement that they have. It gets way too hot. Look at that. There's absolutely no sense in that. This bulb has been in there about 7 or 8 months. Look at that. Already cooked. Okay, I just got the new light bulb in. You always want to make sure that it works, because it's a lot of trouble. I've installed it, so now I've just got to take my cap, put it back on top of it, and put the screws back in. Now this is what I'm going to say. On a warm day, this will take you about 10 minutes to do. If you have to change this in the wintertime, don't even try doing this unless you have a nice warm garage to go into, because you'll end up breaking that inner fender well. I'm going to tell you, when you go to put all this back together, you don't have to use that ratchet. You can use a normal, and I'm showing you what it is, T15 Torx, and that's what the screws are. And you don't have to put it in there even very tight or anything. You just simply screw them in there. Make sure before you start this, you start your engine and you cut your wheel to the opposite side of whatever side you're changing. The passenger side comes apart just the same way, but you want to get that tire out of your way. And just put it in there kind of snug. And that's it. And that's how you change a light bulb in a Chevrolet Traverse, a headlight bulb. I'm Scott with Starkey Family, fixing and rigging up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos. I'm all about trying to save people money and save myself money, so I try to do a lot of what I can myself. But have a good day, and don't forget to check out my other YouTube channel also, Starkey Family Gaming and Fun. So have a great day. Thank you.